Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Unbox. Today I'm coming with a mic, because today I'm not writing to the notepad. The before two video I make on the notepad writing. The last video, that is who is the biggest YouTubers in the world 2019, and then the after before the video was WhatsApp, how we can type in laptop or computer. Okay guys, today we are showing about how to download Winrar. Winrar means thus, I will show you this. Winrar means you can, if you want to take a file like a GTA Vice City, GTA 4, like a file, they are making RAR file. How we can take RAR file are so much easier. How we can take with the WinRAR. We can download the WinRAR. We have to click WinRAR. Then we don't type here, okay? You want to type in on the site box winrar.com. When you type .com, it will come like this and automatically like this. You want to buy or download, click okay. 32-bit. If you want to click here, this one, download WinRAR. When go down, you want to click download WinRAR. Then they'll show you like this, down 3.MB. Okay, you want to save it. It is very easy that when you want to run, when you click the run, yes, I click yes. Then I installing the WinRAR. Okay guys, I install the WinRAR. You can, this application you will get, and if I show that one, you can install this very easy. And thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Please subscribe my channel and like. If you love my video, dislike it. Thank you. Wait for next video.